Oh, frig yeah, dudes. I come out last night. Jabbed one more sheet on just looking. We're just having a look-see. So that's friggin' awesome. And it's supposed to rain a little bit today all of a sudden, but I got under curtains this morning. I'm all set up there, just waiting for these dicks to show up. So yeah, I just got like 1, 2, 3 in a bit, and 1, 2 in a bit. Yeah, man, should be lickety splips, but then I gotta, each panel between each earth coil has 6 son of a bitches into it. So I gotta drill. Oh my goodness, that's the shitty part. But drill in the holes, and then I got lots of nuts and bolts from the friggin' from the roof. Really half a bucket of them over there, so there's plenty of those to friggin' use up or whatever. That's more awesome, but anyways, I want to move some trailers and shit around today too, hopefully. I just got a dependence on how many hours it takes to friggin' do the dormitory there or whatever, but anyways, under curtains will be here any minute. Good lord, boys. We had quite the long weekend. Not in the good accordance either, where you get to not go to work on Monday or something. There's the kind where it was just a really long time. Oh, but check it the frig out, dudes. This is way more better. Yeah. It was significantly more work than you'd freaking respect, but not too bad. Not too bad, I suppose. Now that it's done, thank frig. And I still gotta weld in a couple things over here. I got like this big C channel. Had it kicking around for a while. I got a few hunks or whatever, so obviously, cut those pieces off. I'm gonna make the top piece, get that all sealed up, and then when we do the floor, I'll measure and cut and cigarette the other piece in there or whatever. But yeah, no tarp on the tar machine now. No rains can get onward, so that's good. Hey, frig yeah, dudes. Frig yeah, but I got things like big time, so that's why Monday, like right now is Monday, right? And like this is the beginning of the vitya, so I mean, it's kind of hard with this side, that side, up and down and around it, you know what I mean? It was just not, when I had to get it done, and it was hot as f***ing, right? So, in other words, we got her done, and she's freaking awesome. Couldn't have really worked out any more lickety-splips, to be honest with you. Alright, well, anyways, I go. Not sure when we'll be back, but sometime today for sure. We'll figure it out. Oh, man. I set up a little cross here for the truck driver that was killed. Water's just sneaking around that edge, giving me drips. So I have to put a little ridge of poop over there. Other than that, she's not too bad. Above the door was the main thing, right? I mean, it's an outside freaking dormitory shed with no, I mean, you can see light all the way around. It's not like we're gonna seal the thing up. We want ventilation, right? We don't want to freaking make it so it's like, it blows away. But yeah, the door's dry. It's raining right now. Can you hear it? It's just like a little, I don't know, a little whisper on the tin roof. Sounds neat. I don't think you can probably hear it though, but anyways, we're gonna weld all these little guys. I just got shitloads of these. I figure they only need to hold a zip time. So we're just gonna go all the way around, weld a little Washner, a little Washner, a little Washner, a little Washner. When we get over to this corner, we're gonna friggin' cut and fit this guy here on it. This is my good one. So this is gonna end up being the piece that closes in there. We got like some hinges, right? Got some hinges, so we gotta, like, you know, obviously be on the outside of the hinge or the door ain't gonna function properly. But yeah, you know, it's an old shelf or something, right? So I'm gonna just cut that bullshit off there. We'll fit this one up at the top so that we can, you know, corrugulation, but we got no drips over here, so that's cool. We just need a little more poop. A little more poop in there. I got lots left, so we'll be laughing in that accord. But friggin' rights, boys. It's raining and it's dry over here. So we still got to deal with, you know, the walls. But if I can think of it while we're around and about, so I'll tell you, I'm just gonna like go between the ribs and cut the flange that it's welded to and kind of bend it down and weld it all around and stuff, just to, you know, totally 100% weld it to the roof, and, you know, have no gaps so water doesn't just flow down it like it is, right? Process, eh? 11 steps at a time, but right now we need to get some lights, a couple holes filled, like doing, and then yeah, basically smoke cigarettes. That's it, and then we're good. We come in here and just smoke all kinds of cigarettes. Should get some tunes going though. What do we got for a radio? Anyways, boys, I don't even know if you can like grasp this. Is it even sinking in how awesome this is? Are you serious right now? It's pitch friggin' blackout. You wouldn't be able to see shit in here. Eh? And now it's like friggin' broad daylight. You could work in here, no props. That's actually, like, it's not even, you know, you can look right at it and it doesn't blind you, but it's enough lights to where it just totally lights this place right up big time. Yeah, oh, and check this out. Just get the gable end on. Friggin' bays move right in. See them? Right up in there somewhere. There's so much shit on the friggin' thing, I can't even tell which is a bee in the gable end and which is a friggin' gob of schmut on the stovepipe. There's another one over here somewhere too. I don't know, maybe you can sant it. I lost it. Where'd it go? Maybe they moved out. They knew I was friggin' coming with the spray. And they were like, we gotta go. Oh yeah, it's right there. There's one right there too, so that's awesome. We got both gable ends, got bees moved right in. That's perfect, but we got both containers, well, all three containers welded together. Those two are gonna weld together, and then we got this guy, the whole friggin' stovepipe, and then once we put the floor in, I'll cut another piece and we'll fill in there. I had to make it a two-piece anyways because we don't got one long enough, so that's how that's gonna go. But yeah, awesome, boys. Friggin' awesome. Let me know what you think. I know a lot of you are probably mad at me, but it's okay. I understand. Hey, I'd be mad too. I'd be mad too, boys. But yeah, this is awesome. It's been a long time coming, of course. You know, it's half job Larry over here, but yeah, hopefully I can kick her into gear. We got winters coming. You know, that's the issue, right? I'd just be smoking joints and carrying on, but winter's right around the corner. Got all type of shit to do, so we'll get at least some done before winter's here, I hope. But yeah, how you friggin' doing, boys? How you friggin' doing? Gable end, bees, light. What more can you even ask for? What more can you even ask for in inwood? Do you want to see the difference? I'll show you the difference. See what I'm saying? Like, even with the flashlight, you can't see shit. Isn't that ridiculous? See if we can't shunt on the big gable MBs. Sant them? They just moved in. They were like, hey, this is a nice place. I see you got a gable end.